In this video, we're taking a look back at all the incredible Italian homes under €150,000, which we featured during the month of September 2024. We believe that everyone can find a unique, move-in ready home in Italy for €150,000 or less without having to settle for a renovation project. As you can see, some of the properties have already sold or been taken off the market, even though they were active and available at the time we featured them. Even though the Italian property market generally moves slower than in many other countries, properties do get snapped up. So, while it's not frantic, sometimes if you snooze, you lose. There is a wealth of information, advice, and assistance about buying property in Italy on the internet and on YouTube, so we don't get into this territory. However, one bit of advice we do offer is to get your codice fiscale for yourself and anyone else you want to be on the title as soon as you decide you're serious about buying. This allows you to be in a position to be able to make an offer whenever you do find the perfect property, without the risk of missing out. There are endless resources available to help you decide how you want to proceed with the purchase once you find the perfect place. However, if this is an area you specialise in, please feel free to share your business information and a link in the comments. As far as we know, this is the only YouTube channel and weekly email focused specifically on fully habitable homes under €150,000. We only feature quality homes with character in good condition, which are in desirable locations and are good value for money, not just cheap. We don't include any apartments, flats, timeshares, auctions, renovation projects, unfinished or rubble houses. Not because we don't like these options too, but there are just enough independent homes in move-in ready condition to keep us busy for now. Along with quality photos, specs, and a description, our weekly emails also have links to the original listing and Realtors' contact details, as well as a map for quick reference. You might notice some of the homes in the week 5 section are a little higher than €150,000. The theme of that week's email was Grande, with all of the homes being between 160 and 400 square metres, with prices of less than €1,000 per square metre, which is almost half of the national average and 1/3 of the main city's average. So we cheated a little, but think they were worth sharing. Anyway, thank you to everyone for subscribing. Whether you're just dreaming or serious about buying a place in Italy soon, we hope you are enjoying our videos as well as one or both of our weekly emails. There are so many more exceptional properties and we can't wait to share them.